What up, y'all? I wasn't gonna film because I'm doing quotes and I have a lot going on, but I'll still film anyways. I think we have 8 yards, maybe 1 or 2 cleanups. I'll just take you with me. Let's go. It's 11:07. I drove here. Let's just say I started at 11 o'clock then, because I'm only 7 minutes away from my house.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yard one completo. Alright. You know when you have that feeling that your trimmer line is getting really short, out of nowhere you're just driving and you think about it. It's been a while since you've changed it out. Okay, got that quote out the way, feel a little better. Maybe we can talk. What's that? You know, it's funny that if I post this work vlog, it's hard because I'm trying to work and film and reply to my quotes and do all the same stuff, right? And it's hard because it makes my day twice as long. But if I do it, it's better for me because y'all get to see it. The YouTube videos get popping. The video can make money. I can help more of y'all. And overall, it's better for everybody. If you like the videos, you get a video. I get to post one. Posting makes me happy. You guys like to watch, right? But it's hard. But if you do the hard stuff, good things could happen is my point. So it's funny. It's like I'm an idiot just realizing that for the first time. But the hard stuff, if you do the hard stuff in life, you live an easy life. If you do the easy things in life, you live a hard life. That's what they say.
For the last 2 years, wonder who these niggas sound like. Yeah. Now they acting like they don't know me. I see some pictures, niggas was looking like homies. Why are they so fake? I don't even know why I can't speak that name. I'm just out here doing mine. Out here like the sun I shine. Yeah, it ain't no debating when it comes to this creating.
Yard 3 check-in. Here's another thing I realized. If I don't post, I feel like there's nothing for me to talk about. A lot of these days where I make most of my money, if not all my money, it's just boring, quiet days. I'm just mowing. And sometimes I film them, but I think you gotta realize that sometimes the boring stuff gets you the results. And people want to sell you excitement and quick, get rich quick, microwave it, easy, all this stuff, but things take time. Take your time. And the boring things get you the exciting stuff after. You know what I'm saying?
Only when I'm originating, them other ones just keep on imitating. Yeah, why they hate on the corner? Oh, hate on the corner. Don't know what happened. Why they hate on the corner? Is it 'cause I'm glowing? Maybe because I'm growing. They girl not even know. Probably they could never come if they hate on the corner. Yeah, I see which way you're going. If you hate it on the corner, bro, your girl ain't even on you. Probably them a conin. Hating on my conin, probably hate it 'cause I'm glowing. You know that I'm the king, don't need no ring. Every fucking song I sing, they try to sing. Always on the same wave, but we ain't on the same page. Can I slow it up and pull it up? Have so many colors, look like rainbows in my cup. Damn it, why you swagging on them? Smoking on that color.
You know what's funny is that the money, that rhymed. The money's important, obviously, duh, let's work. But to hear your customer say good job, that's worth like 10 times more than the money of the job. Right or wrong?
Yeah,
Let's say what's up. Yeah. Oh, he didn't see it. Maybe he did.
No cause, told you I came from the sky, just like the stars. When will you believe me? And this was a freestyle. You know I'm so damn wild. I'm about to upload it to SoundCloud right now. While you're hating on the code, hey, I'm the code. Oh, hey, 'cause I'm blowing up. Hey, 'cause I'm blowing up. Your girl ain't even on you, probably been McConin. If you're hating, I'm McConin. Oh, don't be hating, 'cause I'm glowing. Come see me at my show. Yeah.
This is called Make money mowing with a trimmer in the backyard because your mower don't fit. And here's a tip too. Before you go put your trimmer away or your mower, even if you're doing a cleanup, bring your blower first and blow it off, and then you're gonna see spots you want to touch up that get revealed once you blow everything around. So unless you want to walk 3 times as much, then go do that too. Example, I just blew right now, but I'm gonna go touch up like the cracks, and I'm gonna go do the edging again real quick, then tell me how it looks after, if it looks any different. There, a little bit better, but nonetheless, without a mower, the best I can do really. And just keep right back in it. And there. I forgot what time I started at, but let's go home now. Last yard of the day. The other cleanup that I was talking about, they said let's do next week, so. Hashtag grill check. That's the face. Oh yeah, if y'all have serious questions about how I do all this with the business and the marketing and all that stuff, go to my website, makemoneymowing.com. I have all this stuff to show you if you're interested. Now I'm home. I hope you enjoyed this wonderful day of grass all over me. I hope you have a blessed day. And now it's the best part of my day. The tea party. Y'all aren't supposed to look at this. What? Nuno?
Yeah, look at her nose.
What is that? A freckle?
Yeah.
Is that my first freckle?
Yeah, first.
I thought that was a scratch. I love
I
that.
tried to remove it. It wasn't.
Thank you. Hi, Daddy. I love you too. Damn, I love the love up in this bitch. And what about Squibbington? Squibbington? Who's a Squibbington? Peace out. Check out the gym. If y'all want more workout footage, let me know. I'm doing snatches and all this crazy stuff. Here's a better view. Here's where all the magic happens. Dog bed, workbench, gym. You already know. And there's where all the bird watching and stuff happens. And my chickens.